This is a Country Boy Mods production.
What's up? I'm back here with another one. This is the carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I was talking about. I bought this off of Amazon for about $7. It's a foot roll, so it's not that much. I wanted it to basically kind of like wrap these parts like this in red. Basically all the outer trim of the how can I say, the outer trim of like the vents, the outer trim of the radio. As you can see, I want to wrap all of this in red and leave it black because I do want to do the red and black thing. And yeah, so this is basically what I'm finna do while I'm here in the house. And if y'all want to see my big boy Bruce, come here, man. Come here, Bruce. Boy Bruce right here, you see him? What's up, man? What's up, man? Yeah, he done ate all this food from this morning. What's up, big boy? What's up, man? What's good? Huh? Give me a hug. Come give me a hug, man. Come here. And watch this. He don't like this. Oh, he let me grab his tail today. That's weird. That's weird. What's up, then? What's up, then? Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get him. That's right, big boy. Yeah, that's my big boy there. But I'm gonna get back rapping. This is my first time rapping, so y'all just bear with me. I just finished prepping the parts, cleaning them off. Like I said, this is my first time rapping, so I'm not sure if I'm doing the process right. But if you all out there that been rapping stuff before, please do. Please leave feedback, comments on what I should do next time and the proper steps to take. Because we're all here to help each other, man. We're not here to show negativity or anything. Like, if I messed up, let me know in the comments. Just let me know like what I did, what's the proper step to take next time. And another thing, here's the wrap. Get you a good look at it. This is what the carbon fiber style wrap looks like. You saw what I did, the style wrap. But I mean, this foot roll is actually, it's a lot here, man. It's a whole lot. It's $7. I mean, you can't beat that if you just doing those little parts like that. So I'm about to try to get started on this, and we're gonna see how this go. Y'all bear with me and pray for me. Let's pray this outcome be good, but let's try to get this done and let's go. Let's do it.
What's going on, y'all? All right, so check it out. I did a sample piece. As you can see, I got some trial and error right here to fix on, but I mean, overall, this is the idea that I'm going with, so I'm finna try my best to do the rest, you know. But we're gonna see how it goes. So let's try to do this. I already prepped it, so I mean, let's see what we can do. Start trying to wrap some other pieces. Get the scissors out. I've been trying to cut off little pieces by piece. I'm gonna try to do this little piece. So, yeah. Let's try to get it done, man. I might put it on the time lapse because it's gonna take quite some time. So if I put this video on the time lapse, it might be a little bit easier to record, and then I'll just start back with like what I'm doing now, do a little regular part and then do a time lapse part. So I'm gonna put this on time lapse because it's gonna take a while.
This is a Country Boy Mods production.
As you can see, got the whip. That's the whip that is going in right now. Shout out to Rocket League. But yeah. So I'm gonna start with the first piece. I mean, like I said, my first time rapping, so it's gonna be some imperfections. So y'all just look at it. Tell me what you think. For all the professional rappers out there, the vinyl rappers, y'all please let me know like how I can do it. But I mean, for the first time, I think it came out pretty good. Some stuff I need to work on. But here's the second piece. Like you see, I had to piece some stuff together. So like I said, I ain't the best at this. But on the distance, it looked great. So you look at it from this angle, you're like, oh dang, that looks real good. I mean, overall, it looks good for it being my first time, so that's all majority of the pieces. So, I mean, I'm satisfied with it. Let's do the passenger side. Bottom air conditioner piece. Like I said, right here, like I'm not the best rapper. I just thought about rapping gear, so I mean, it could have been done better, but I'm not finna sit here and worry about it because it's my first time. I got a lot of time to practice. So that's the front face piece. There goes the other air conditioner for the vent holder. And there's the middle vent. So, I mean, overall, not a bad job. I've seen worse. I need to trim that up a little bit. I mean, I've seen worse. So, it's not an easy process. So, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on and give me positive feedback. Just let me know what's going on. What could I do next? But I hope y'all enjoy this video, and don't forget to be sure to like and subscribe for the future videos coming up. Y'all take it easy. Peace. All right, as you can see, I got my trim pieces all ready to go back inside. My inside is a mess right now, so I'm about to put all these back, and then I'm gonna be wrapping this right here red also. So I'm gonna do that. Like I gotta go get the stand so I can record, put it on time lapse while I do it. But I don't feel like trying to record all this, because this is gonna take a long process. I mean, you knew what it looked like before I put a before and after video of it. So let's get to it. Put this piece in first. And go ahead and put this other trim side in before installing that the actual bottom piece there. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. I'm putting these interior, the rear door panel interior piece in, trim piece. Make sure you tie that back up. It's gonna be kind of tough, but like if you got fat fingers, it's gonna suck. But make sure you tie that back up. You know, sneak peek what the front look like. That's it right there. So let's see. All right, getting the last door trim piece in. Almost done. Almost done. Got the back. Like I said, I'm gonna wrap this next. It's gonna be red right here also, so got a little trimming to do. Right here I was off a little bit. It's not big of a deal, that big of a deal, so I'm gonna knock that out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're getting there. This is a finished product, as you can see, all the way across. Going into the back, you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it. And then you come down, you see that. But I think overall, everything came out to be good.